once was a miller, and he lived all alone. He had 3 sons, all fully grown. And when he came for to make his will, all he had left was a little grist mill. Singing foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day, foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day. So he called to him his eldest son, Son, oh son, my race is run. If I a miller of you make, pray tell me what toll will you take? Singing foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day, foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day. Oh, Father, Father, my name is Bill. Out of each sack I take a gill. You fool, the old man cried. Out of such a little you can never make a ride. Singing foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day, foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day. So he called to him his second son, Son, oh son, my race is run. If I a miller of you make, pray tell me what toll will you take? Singing foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day, foul-diddy-dido, foul-diddy-day. Oh, Father, Father, my name is Ralph. Out of each sack I take a half. You fool, the old man cried. Out of such a little